Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. In this episode, let us see how we can do text to column. If you have a data which consists of first name and the last name, in this example, we have the employee details with the first name and the last name like this. So what I will do is I'll use Shift and Control and use the down arrow key. I will copy the complete employee name to another sheet. I will enter first name and last name. Since the first name and the last name is combined in the data from where we have copied from the employee data, what I am trying to do is I am trying to separate the first name and the last name in two different columns. For example, Aiden Roscoe. Aiden is the first name and Roscoe is the last name. So I have to separate Aiden in first name column and Roscoe in last name column. So let me do that. I will add one more column here. I will again use the Shift and Control and the down arrow key. Then click on the data. Click on the data and click on text to column menu. I will use the text to column menu here and I will select next. Since first name and last name is separated by space, I have to select space here. Select the space. You can already see that the first name and last name is already separated by using the space, because the separation what the first name and last name is done here is the space. In case first name and the last name is separated by semicolon or tab, you can even use those options. In case if it is a comma separated value, you can use comma here. Since it is a space separation, what I will do is I will select on the space and I will click on the next, or you can straight away click the finish button here. I'll click on the next and I can select the text here and click on the finish. So now you got the first name and the last name in two different columns. So what I will do is I will use the Shift and Control again, copy the entire employee first name, paste it here and copy the last name, Control C to copy and paste into the last name. I will delete, or if you wanted to keep the source data as it is, I will insert the cell. Sorry, I have to insert the column here. I will insert the column. I will insert another column here. I can simply take the same data which we have modified using the text to column. I can copy the entire data here like this, or if you go to the top, you can also use the shortcut key Shift and right arrow key to select column A and column B. Then use the control key on your keyboard. Then use the down arrow key. So entire data has been selected now. Copy and you can paste here. So now you have the first name and the last name here. So in this episode, we were able to use the text to column menu, and from the source data, which combines of first name and last name, we were able to separate the first name and last name into two different columns. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.